In this example then we're going to look at multiplying numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So I'm going to take the first example, which is 7.436 multiplied by 10. And what's really easy in these sums is that we can simply move the decimal point along our place value system because we're multiplying by tens, hundreds or thousands. And so I'll show you that now in a quick example. So I'm going to write out 7.436 multiplied by 10, and we're going to see what that equals. Now on my answer side I'm going to write out 7436, and my only question is where I'm going to put the decimal point. So in the sum the decimal point is over here, just between the 7 and the 4, and if I multiply it by 10 I can simply skip it along one place, and so my decimal point should come here. So when I go to my answer then, I can move the decimal point from between the 7 and the 4 to between the 74 and the 3. And so my answer then is 74.36. Now let's take a look at the next example. So we have 6.397, but this time we're going to multiply it by 100. So again on my answer side I'm going to write in 6397. And the only question now is where does the decimal point go? So the decimal point is here between the 6 and the 3. I'm multiplying by 100, which is 2 zeros. So I'm just going to skip it along once and twice. And so my decimal point and my answer should come after my 9. And so my answer should be 639.7. Finally then we're going to look at multiplying by 1000. So again I'm going to write out 4.028, and I'm going to multiply that by 1000. So again, on my answer side, I'm going to write out the numbers without the decimal point. So it's 4028, and the question is where does the decimal point go? So if I'm multiplying by 1000, that has 3 zeros. So I'm going to skip the decimal point along 3 places from where it is. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and this time it's going to come after the 8. And so our answer this time is 4028, and we see our decimal point there, and that's how we multiply by tens, hundreds and thousands.